Hi guys! Welcome back to our YouTube channel. Please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe para lagi kayong updated sa mga video na i-upload ko sa aming YouTube channel.
Number 10, 4, 2, 3 is hereby approved of third and final reading.
Have been waiting for this historical day that at long last universal social pension is approved. 1 minute. My honorable colleagues of this august chamber, I give praise and thanks to our Almighty God for giving me the honor and the privilege to stand before you on this momentous day as we witness the historic passage of House Bill number 10423, granting universal social pension to senior citizens. This long-awaited and much-anticipated universal social pension will finally give due recognition to the countless contributions of our beloved senior citizens to our society. Ferdinand R. Marcos Jr., that under his administration, our beloved senior citizens are accorded utmost respect and priority. I would also like to thank our dearest speaker, Ferdinand Martin G. Romualdez, for giving your word and keeping your promise as always. Our majority leader, Manuel Jose Manix, Mr. Dalibe, for prioritizing this bill. Our chairperson for the Committee on Appropriations, Honorable Elizalde Esco, Vice Chairman Estela Luz A. Imbo, who played a very vital role for this third reading, and all the members of the committee for their unwavering commitment to provide the necessary budgetary considerations for this bill to come to fruition. And of course, to the Special Committee on Senior Citizens, headed by our chairperson, my fellow vice chairpersons and members of the committee, for undertaking this monumental task and leaving no stones unturned to see this bill through. Today, we have handed over the victory to our beloved senior citizens as they continue to bridge the gap of our glorious past and our hopeful future. Mr. Speaker, my dear colleagues, for the sake of your parent, thank you so much for supporting this bill. And the 12 million and growing United Senior Citizens of the Philippines, our deepest gratitude and anticipation. God bless us and appreciation. God bless us all. Matatanda ating mahalin.
Thanks for watching. Please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe.